And in this video, you will understand how to make one cycling apparel. Today, I'm in Sialkot, Lahore, Pakistan, and I'm now at Gear Club's factory, and they are the manufacturer for cycling apparel, from the design to the final stitching process. One cycling apparel is generally made by sublimation technology. Firstly, we're starting from this design. Yeah, we add this 1.5 millimeter black
outside of each of your pattern, and then 2 millimeter space in between.
Okay. And then we export. We export to the printing machine. You can just import all the file into this sublimation printer. After finish the ripping, it will send in the data to the printing machine. When the sublimation printer is working, you can see here the size is 1.6 meter and 4.7 meter length. And remaining time 4 minutes is already printed like 50%. And this is the speed. Generally, 1 hour it will print out 35 meters. This is the forehead sublimation print. 1.5 millimeter black contour, 2 millimeter space between different shapes. Then you can design any color or any letter, any shape within this enclosed pattern. Okay, after about 10 minutes, we finished the printing. This is a heating device. It will dry the paper. Now we come to this heat transfer sublimation calendar machine. So with the calendar heat transfer machine, you can just put this raw fabric together with this sublimation paper. Compared with the traditional flatbed one, this calendar one will be more efficient and power saving. You don't need the protective backup paper. Then this is the waste paper. This is the final fabric we need. And after heat transfer machine, we will go to the laser cutting machine. Because we have the black contour line, our camera can just auto detect the edge. We don't need any designing file imported in the software. Different fabric, only here we adjusted different speed. This is the cutting precision left and right. And it will do the continuous cutting, making different shapes of one garment together. Here we have this gentleman checking the color, the quality. Now we come to the stitching department, and we need to change the thread color. This is one main type of stitching machine, the overlock machine. It will trim off the edge. So some customers may have concern about the laser cutting edge, but here this machine will trim off the edge and make it very flat. For the sportswear sewing worker, they need very high skill. They need to know which garment pieces go together. And this machine is for making the pocket. And then this machine is a flat machine. Now we come to this silicone ripper machine. The process is all about experience. After stitching, we will go to this iron table to make it flat and neat. After ironing, we will go to here, the QC checking and adding the label. That is the whole process of how to make the high quality cycling apparel.